Hello, this is a very brief syllabus review for those of you who couldn't be here in class, or maybe for some parents that didn't get it brought home like they were supposed to. Now, it's okay if they didn't bring it home. It is an extra credit opportunity if they do bring back a signed syllabus from you, though, letting them know that you understand it. So, first, a brief introduction. My name is Samuel Palmer. I am a middle school science teacher. I've been teaching for about 6 years. I got my Bachelor's of the Arts in Education and my Bachelor's of the Arts in Science with a focus in biology from Eastern Washington University. I got my master's degree from American College of Education, and it's in curriculum and instruction. I'm new to Westwood Middle School, and I'm very, very excited to be here. Some of my hobbies include blacksmithing, cosplay, robotics, video games, reading. I do a lot of things. Gardening. My office is my room is 417. If you need to get a hold of me, you can use the telephone number for the classroom, which is 1-509-559-4195. Or you can email me at spalmer@cheneySD.org. Now, as far as materials, they just need a wire notebook, which I bought extras of, so most of the students should have them by now, and a writing utensil, which I have lots of pencils, so they should be good there. I'm not going to hand out a physical textbook this year because the kids can't use lockers due to our COVID restrictions. That way they have one less thing to carry with their Chromebooks. If you need access to Skyward, you can get a hold of our registrar at 559-4156. Anytime that you look on Skyward and have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be glad to help you understand what's going on with your child or student. Grading policy, there's going to be assignments, quizzes, projects, and labs, and some exams. The exams are worth 50%, the labs are going to be worth 20%, the quizzes and projects are going to be 20%, and the assignments are only going to be worth about 10%. I do this so that a student can't copy someone else's homework and still pass the class using just homework. I do basically focus on standards-based grading, which means I'm more worried that your student can pass the standard than necessarily that they have rote memorization of every item. Do they understand the big picture? Do they understand how things go together? Do they understand the process? Things like that. Like, I am more concerned that they understand that something moving very quickly that's very large has more mass than something small moving very slow than I am worried that they can say force equals mass times acceleration. Though it would be nice if they could do both. Anytime they fail an exam or a quiz or anything, they can redo it till the last week of the quarter. And they can do it as many times as they need to be successful. I'll help them study after school. I'll give them other things, stuff like that. We'll find a way to get the student to pass. I'm not in this career in order to fail people. As far as participation, I expect the students to participate. We have labs, classroom discussions, things like that. That does not mean they need to be the most social butterfly in the room, just that every once in a while, if I call on them, they're willing to share out. Later on this year, I will be using like tongue depressors or popsicle sticks with their names on it to call on people to make it a little more fair. Everybody will have to answer probably once a week at least. But if a student's very shy or has another problem, maybe where they're anxious, we can work around that as well. Assignments must be completed fully. If they just do the first couple questions and turn it in, I'm not going to bother grading it because it doesn't show me they passed the standard. If at any point they fall behind and they need help, feel free to contact me and we'll get them back on path. Be careful that students don't academically cheat, even if it's on accident. Copying, pasting information from online Wikipedias or encyclopedias can lead to plagiarism if they don't do it correctly, things like that. Don't copy other people's work and claim it as their own. It's pretty standard stuff. And that's pretty much my list and my syllabus. I'm really looking forward to having all the students in class this year. So far, all the kids seem amazing. I'm very excited and very lucky to be here. So thank you very much, and feel free to reach out at any time you need to. All right, thank you. Bye.